Hello everyone, and thank you and welcome to my channel. Today's video I just wanted to go into a detail in regards about slip stitching granny squares together in order to create a nice flawless seam between them. I do these a lot in my videos, so I wanted to make sure that everyone could see very clearly on how to do this. So first we're going to want to take our yarn that we're going to be using to attach these together and start and create your slip knot. Now what I like to do is take your working end and lay it between the two squares that you're working together. And now this one was a slightly different, like this only has a chain 1 in the corners, so we're kind of skipping over that one for this pattern. So to work this one, now if you had a chain 2, you would start into the chain 1 that belongs to the one side here. But because of this one being slightly different, I'm working into the first double crochet stitch for this round. So making sure our working end is laying in the center and kind of behind where we're working, we're going to work into, if you look on the side, we have our top loops and our back loops from how we're looking at it, you know, right sides facing each other. So we're going to start and come into that top loop. And then we're going to go into the opposite side and we're going to work into that back loop. So the bottom loop, and we're going to insert our hook into there. And then we're simply going to take the tail end, yarn over, and pull through all the loops on our hook. Now your first stitch can be slightly difficult in order to get. Then to move on, simply repeat top stitch, back stitch, yarn over, and pull through all those loops. Top stitch, back stitch, yarn over, and pull through all of your loops. Top, back, and we're just going to repeat this going all the way down the sides. And then for this one, see I'm here at the end. Then I can go ahead and simply tie off. And if you can look closely, you can see it's a very nice, even, easy seam right going across. And that is how you do a simple slip stitch in between for sewing granny squares together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a little thumbs up like. Let me know in the comments section what you think about this. And if you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button in the video and that notification bell next to it in order to get an update every time I post a new pattern. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.